Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. Are you a member of the family? If not, hit that subscribe button right now and become part of the family. Friends, are you pregnant or know of somebody who is pregnant? If you've ever been pregnant before, you've probably wondered, is this car seat belt safe for my unborn baby? And that is the product we're going to be looking at today. Something that some genius has invented to make it completely safe for your unborn child while wearing a car seat belt. Now, I don't know if you're aware of the statistics, but there are about 170,000 car crashes every year in the USA by pregnant women. Sadly, 3,000 pregnancies are lost every single year. That's like, what, 8 every single day. Now, I've never been pregnant before, though I do look at sometimes, especially after a big meal. What I am told is that wearing a seat belt can be really uncomfortable. And besides the comfort level, if a woman is in a car crash and that seat belt suddenly contracts and tightens, it can tighten over the wrong location over a pregnant tummy. And that is where it can get really dangerous. Now, can you believe that the tummy shield is actually the only crash-tested pregnancy seatbelt adjuster out there? This patented design is really quite clever the way they've designed this. And you'll see that it's really strong at the same time. It's actually quite solid. It feels quite heavy. And that's because there's a stainless steel plate inside and anchor. It attaches securely to the car seat that helps to keep everything in place. You'll also see this strip that then gets strapped behind the car seat, and that helps to also keep the tummy shield in place. Now, come to think of it, the strange thing is we spend so much money on booster seats and car seats for babies and toddlers and all these products to keep them safe. But to become babies and toddlers, they've got to be born. And something like this is worth the investment because you're making sure that your unborn baby is going to make it to their birth. It has been tested and found to be as safe as a seatbelt, as strong as one too. Now, besides the safety aspect, it's the comfort aspect. And pregnant ladies often complain about seat belts and just feeling comfortable, especially on long journeys. Something like this makes a journey far more comfortable. And my wife really loves the fabric. It's nice and soft, but she even said that this on top of our leather seats inside our car actually felt really comfortable. She said it sort of elevated her a little bit in the seat, but made her feel pretty secure and comfortable at the same time. Take a look at these crash test videos using the tummy safe. Now, with this front view, you can see a normal seat belt and then a tummy shield being used. Here's a side view of a test comparing the use of the tummy shield to just a normal seat belt. The tummy shield prevents submarining under the seat belt. These crash tests have helped the innovators perfect the product, so you're buying something that you know has been tested and proved. In fact, I encourage you to go to their website. I'll leave a link down below where you can read and watch videos of people that have bought the tummy shield, been involved in accidents, and experienced how it saved their baby's life. Something I really like about it is that it is easy to install and then once again easy to pack away. You can put it in this lovely bag they send you and you can move it from seat to seat. Sometimes my wife drives, sometimes I drive, and so you can move it from seat to seat or from car to car. If you're going on vacation, renting a car, you can take this along with you. Now, some common questions about the tummy shield is, when should you be using one of these? And they say generally the second you start buying maternity clothing, maternity wear, that's when you should probably look at getting the tummy shield. Another question people ask is, do I have to be pregnant to get one of these? Here's a little secret. I wanted to try it out myself, so I put the harness on and I was quite surprised how It goes from almost a sort of a 2-point harness, a normal car seat belt, to now almost becoming like a 3-point harness. Almost felt like I was in a racing car. I hope my wife, now that she's pregnant, doesn't feel like she is a race car driver sitting on one of these puppies. But no, you don't have to just be pregnant to enjoy the benefits of the tummy shield. In fact, if you have any kind of surgery to your abdomen area, if you've had obviously a C-section, if you've had a tummy tuck, if you've had hernia problems, anything that restricts or provides discomfort when wearing a seatbelt, you might want to consider buying one of these. And as I've just said, I don't think it's just for women, I think it'd be great for men as well, especially if you've got a bit of a gut. I'm going to leave links down below to where you can purchase one of these tummy shields. They do offer military discount, teacher discount, and first responder discounts as well. Go check out their website for details on all their deals, and you can even pay it off as well. Fantastic product, and I give it my thumbs up. Anything to keep my unborn baby safe, and then once baby is born, we can begin to look at car seats and those various products that can protect the baby itself. And then mom can continue using the tummy shield because she will have some discomfort for some time. So really great product, and I really recommend it. A really great product from Safe Ride for Kids to help keep your unborn child safe and pregnant mommy comfortable. Now, Safe Ride for Kids have various products on their website, and another review that we did for them was this incredible child seatbelt harness. And basically what it does is it eliminates the need for a car seat. Intrigued? Interested? Yes, I'm sure you are. Go check out this video here on my right, and you can learn more about this incredible product.